shine a light like this. I don't want to. Okay, I'm gonna sit on my little chair. I think that's better. Okay. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another channel. Cut it.
Radio, oh, dumbstruck. When I hear your name, dumbstruck. You drive me insane, dumbstruck. There's nothing I change about you, baby.
I hate doing intros, but whatever. Let's get into this video. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm back with another video, and I'm back with another clothing haul. I have a fall clothing haul for you guys, and not only that, I'm going to be trying on these pieces for you guys. Yes, I'm going to be trying them on. I have a lot. Don't feel like it, but I'm going to try on these items for you guys so you guys can actually see the perfect fit and how they actually look on me. And yeah, let me stop in. I don't know, I'm just in a good mood. Y'all. Like, it's Friday, payday, I'm off. Like, come on now. Oh, and I did my hair. Like, this is a new style right here. This is the butterfly braids. I call this the butterfly braids. So, check me out in the DMV area. I do travel, you know, to other states. But the maximum for me to travel, you have to book at least 3 people, okay? 3 people for me to travel. I'm not traveling for one person. I don't care how much money. I'm not. That's dead. No. Nada. Period. Okay, let me stop being fucking... Oops, excuse my language. But for real, let's get into this video because I have quite a few things. I did online shopping at Forever 21 only because your girl was being stubborn. I seen the stuff in store and didn't get it while I was in the store, so I had to order online because I went to 3 different Forever 21s looking for this particular item and none of them had it, only one. So I had ordered it online. They blew my Instagram up. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Fashion_of_nay, my main page. Follow me. You can see all the looks. Girl behind the scene, you know, follow me. But yeah, and I had also did shopping inside the mall, and I went to Papaya, so it's only Papaya and Forever 21. But let's get into this video, okay? Let's go. Hold on, let's get a thumbnail. Y'all can't see my address. Okay, so also noise in the background. I'm tired of saying this, but excuse the noise in the background. Got too many kids here, too many people here. Excuse the noise. So I'm just gonna start off with Papaya just because I got more stuff from Forever 21 and my bag just had ripped, so I'm gonna start off with this. I had this stuff for like 2-3 weeks, you guys. I was just waiting for the Forever 21 package to come in, and it came in like 3 days ago, and I was gonna film the video, but I was so pressed to open up the box, and then I got lazy, didn't want to do the video, so here I am now doing the video. It's still fall. Some of these items are still in stock, so I'm not late. Anyways, let's get into the first item, which is simple, something everybody should have. You can never own enough white or black essential, and this is a white cream bodysuit. This is in the color white, yeah, but it's cream. This is white, okay? This is cream, but it says white. So I just got this white bodysuit, and I got it in the small, and I got this from Papaya. Just something simple, you know, needed. Long sleeve, cute bodysuit. Okay, I was interrupted, but I'm back. So the next item is this long sleeve, low turtleneck, kind of fairly, like, not silky, but it's stretchy. It's a good material, okay? So you can still have that air, although it's gonna be kind of cool. But you know, you go to some place, they're not blowing. I mean, they blowing on my phone, y'all. But anyways, it's this kind of crop top, long sleeve shirt, turtleneck. It's inside small, and it had this little zipper for this cute detail. So it's simple, but you know, you can make this little statement piece pop. Okay. So the next item is this cute overall dress. Like, yeah, when I say I am getting into dresses and skirt more, I am. So I got this cute cheetah print overall. Hold on, it's twisted. Oh yeah, it's twisted. But got this cute overall dress. I thought this would be really cute. I can even do it with this here, but no, because they both have zippers. But you know, a black sleeve, or even no, a black. So I can do this with cute black, and also have the zipper, this little circle little zipper, and it's zipping all the way down, and also have pockets, which I love. Who doesn't love pockets? Oh, I ain't tell y'all the price on these items. This was on sale for $7. $7, and I got this in the small and a stretch. So that's that. And the last item from Papaya is another white shirt. And this time it's a cute, simple white shirt. It's simple, but you know, you can pair it up with something, make it pop. It's a low turtleneck. I got it in the size medium, and what makes it so different and make it where so you can pop this item out. I don't know if you guys can see on camera. It's a little bright. I'm trying to see, but you can scrunch it up on the sides, and that's give it the detail, so you can even wear it down or scrunch it up so your little sides can be showing. Cute, right? Cute. I know. Moving on to Forever 21. Our first item is this cute olive green crop top long sleeve shirt. Good material, you guys. Like, this is good material. You can even wear it as a shirt or a jacket. Like, so many ways you can style this. So let me know if y'all want to see a lookbook, because I could put one together for you guys, because I am into fashion, styling. I'm about all of that. So let me know if you guys would like to see a lookbook. But I got this item, and I got this in a small, and this was on sale. I don't know the sale item, so none of this stuff, because I don't know what my receipt is. Sorry. But I got this cute crop top. The next item is a black item. Oh, this is in the wrong bag. I also got this from Papaya. I was actually going to wear this one day, but didn't wear it. So the tag's off. It's this cute little top. It just says Squad Goals, and I thought this was really cute. A fitted little shirt, and I'd say, oh, I can get this wear with some high-waisted pants. That'd be cute. And some boots. So that's why I had got this. But this came from Papaya. Okay. Back to Forever 21, another sale item. I know the basic item, but you can pair it up with something to make it boom, to make it stand out. And what makes this different, although this is a crop top black plain shirt, it makes it different because the sleeves are wide. And not only that, it has a pleated little detailing in the sleeve. Like, so that's what makes it different, stand out from it being just a basic crop top. And you can also see the detailing in it. So got this, and I got this in size medium. The next item was not a sale item, just a regular white crop top. You can never go wrong with your basic essentials. You need your basic essentials. You can overlap this, and when I mean overlap this, like, you can pair this with a long sleeve under it. That'd be cute. Or you can even wear a cami under this and a sweater. Like, so many ways you can do this. Okay. This was only $8, and I got this in a small. I'm a black fan, okay? I love black, so I have a lot of black items. Okay, anywho, moving on. This cute piece right here is another bodysuit, and it is an off-the-shoulder bodysuit, one arm, super duper cute. And the arm sleeve is flared, so I thought this was like really cute and different. Like, you can pair this up with so many stuff, dress it up or down. Like, it is super duper cute. So I have this. The next item was not a sale item. It's a cute dress, and it was $18. I got this in a size small. I can't wait to wear this. It's a cute fitted dress, okay? It's a cute fitted dress. The material is good, nice and stretchy. So it just looks like this, and the back is out. and it lace up in the back. So that's what that looks like. Can't wait to wear that. And this next item, I was about to say last item, but of course it's not the last item. It's this cute plaid skirt. When I tell you guys I'm getting into skirt and dresses more, I am. This is super duper cute. I found this on a sale rack as well. This cute plaid skirt. I got this in a size small, and it has a button detail. I thought this would be really cute with one of those little hats. I forgot what those hats called, but I thought that would be cute with this, with a turtleneck sweater and some thigh-high boots. Yes, that's what I said. Let me know if you guys want to see the lookbook, because I can put that together. This also comes with pockets, and it also comes with a zipper. Okay, moving on to the next Forever 21 bag. This next item is this crop top sweater, and it's a cheetah print with cream, and also have black detailing in it as far as the zipper, and it looks like this. Has pocket on the arm sleeve, which is super duper cute, and I love that it has the drawstring right here, so you can make it tighter if you want. Super duper cute. This was not on the sale item. This was $25, and I got this in a size small. I wanted a medium, but they didn't have it, and I wanted this so bad. The small fit, but certain stuff I wanted to fit a little bigger. But got those. Super duper cute. The next item was also not a sale item, but it was on sale. Yeah, okay, it's a sale because it was originally $18, but sale price was $12. I got this crop top turtleneck. Those would be super duper cute to pair up with something, maybe some high-waisted jeans and some boots. So I got this slimy lime color. We still in it, you know, that's not going to stop trending, I don't think. So got this. This is super cute. So I got this cute silky top. It's super duper cute. So let me see if I can button it up fast for you guys so you can get a better visual. But it's a deep V, and it just button up just like that, so you can wear this without a bra or with a cute bra, you know. All depends on your boobs, how your boobs feeling. And I got this in a size small, and it fits great. I did try this on already, so that's how I know it fits great. The next item was also a sale item. Most of the stuff, all of the stuff was sale that I'm pulling out now. So I got this cute, colorful crop top, cheetah top, and this is in a medium. This was also on sale. I was like, when I saw this, like, ooh, I had to have it. It's so cute. Give me so much vibes, summer vibes. Yes, I'm gonna be on the boat wearing this. Ooh, I can wear this with my black shorts. Ooh, ooh, something chill, and I want to get too cute. Oh shit. Excuse my language. Shoot. Next item, I had picked up some more shoes from Forever 21. I had also got the mustard color in this, and I think you guys seen it in my other vlog. Not my vlog, my other haul. But I got the red pair. It just need to be clean. I mean, it was only like $3. And guess what? I can wear this with this. Ah! Yes, so I got that. And oh, here go my receipt. I ain't about to tell you what I paid for everything though. Nope. I ain't going through all that. But anywho, the next pair are these cute black strappy up sandals. I love sandals and shoes that straps up around the legs to just give it more of a vibe. Like, you could wear something so simple and basic and your shoes will stand out because it just gives it extra character. So I got this. Super duper cute. I might even wear this with this, okay? Instead of the red. With the black shorts. Just to even bring this out more. You know, you feel me? Y'all get the vibe? No? Not yet. Okay. It's cool. But that is it for the inside store shopping. Now I'm going to move on to the Forever 21 online, which is in this big old box. Y'all don't need to see where I live. No, you're not coming to my house. No, no. I'm sorry, you're not, okay? Damn. Alright. I'm super excited about what I'm about to show you guys. Y'all probably like, girl, You probably only gonna wear that one time. Or where you gonna wear that? Bitch, excuse my language. Mind your business. Mind your business, okay? I didn't ask you that. Period. I hate saying period. That shit is so irritating. I hate. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I swear though, I swear I hate that. Period, poo. Period. Shut the. Anywho, relax here. I'm so excited about this item, like y'all just don't know. I'm doing a photo shoot and I'm not gonna tell you all my details. Just know I'm doing a photo shoot with this coat. That's why I got this coat, okay? I saw this coat, I was like, that is so cute. And this is the reason why I had to order online. It's because I went to 3 different Forever 21s because I seen the first Forever 21 and didn't get it because I was like, nope, I'm gonna come back and get it. Go to the other Forever 21s, they don't even have it in stock because their stuff wasn't out yet for the collection. Me being grown, being cute, being smart, and I'm gonna get it. No. So I had to order online. And it's this cute, I'm gonna try this on for you guys now. It's this cute bubble marble coat. Like, it is super duper freaking cute. Like, the vibes in this, just wait. This photo shoot is going to be bomb. Like, the hair, everything. Like, just wait. Just wait. I plan on doing the photo shoot in 2 more weeks. So before I go on vacation, you guys can see the photos. Not on here though. Not on here. Of course not. You have to follow me on my Instagram, Fashion_Ofnay. That's the only way you're gonna see this look. Okay. So this is the first item from online shopping. Matter of fact, oh no, I ordered more than 2. Okay. Yep. But this is the first item, and this was $50, and I got this in size medium. Super duper cute. The next item, I had picked up some shoes. This is a really small box, but I picked up some shoes to go with my dress for vacation. And it's these pretty strappy lime shoes, heels. And they are the sandals type and the square front. Like, I was like, oh, that is cute and different. Like, I can use some square heels, you know? Different. So, this is that. Sorry. See, y'all really haven't seen the real me. Y'all haven't. Y'all haven't. Okay, anywho, to the accessory, I had ordered this cute little gold choker necklace, and this was $6.90, and it just looks like this. I don't know what the hell I ordered it. I ordered it. Why did I order this stuff? I really didn't need it. I think I ordered it to make my purchase a certain amount. I think that's why I ordered this stuff. But I can use this for my vacation, I guess. The next thing is I got this princess necklace. And this is 2 items. No, it's 1. The next thing is I got this necklace, and it has a C, because C stands for Sierra, the greatest of all time. It's B is A. Fuck it up. I mean, sorry. Wash my mouth. Anywho, that is the last item. That is it for this haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on my social media. I will also link it down below. Down below, low. Get this video a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I already have said that. Duh. I will see you guys in my next video.